Fire escape engineers inspection summary here in Eugene, Oregon. What we have here is one fire escape that has evidence of being repaired, as it shows on the connections. Major connection have the new style bolts. However, this is about 90% is welded, so the question remains here prior to load test whether or not we need to verify the welds or duplicate the welds with a brand new bolt and nut. The further conversation will be with a fire marshal, fire deputy marshal here in the city, to be discussed next step in terms on all the connections that have a weld that they've been welded. There's a cantilever, looks very nice, balanced, has a nice weight system that it's not going anywhere. It does have an alarm, so I have not actuated this at this point to confirm whether or not the alarm is going to go off. But typical fire escape, welded, not 90% of the weld. 90% of the fire escape is welded, which needs to be verified or duplicate prior to a load test. So far, I have not stepped on it. I'm going to be stepping on it as soon as the client arrives here, and I'm going to check the connections more clearly, more close up. So, inspection summary video, fire escape engineers, 1-800-649-3333, 1-800-649-3333. Fire escape engineers inspection video. This is the second video, the second fire escape for the same address here in Eugene, Oregon. But we have here another fire escape that is probably 90% like the other one, welded, and which has been painted, has been repaired. I have not stepped on the fire escape as of yet. I will do in a second. However, I see some new bolt connection going to the wall and throughout the fire escape here on the first floor. Also, as the railings connecting to the walls, and the major connection of this fire escape has been rebolted with brand new bolts. So it has some evidence of fire escape. So the question here is the same as the other one, is because it's a welded fire escape, would this be ready for a load test? What should be the next step? Duplicate the connection with a new bolt because I can verify the welds, or go right into a load test? More clarification with the fire department here in this town will be discussed right after this. And also cantilever looks good. Again, welded too, so that's to be determined. Is a weight box. I'm not crazy about the way they welded up here, angle to hold that. So if that weld goes, this whole box system will fall down. So on the other one, they actually use something to wrap around it, just in case. But besides that, it looks good. Again, so a lot of the welds verification, you see welds there, welds there, welds there, all that, I can verify it. So we'll be discussing next with the fire department what to do with these welds prior to the load test. This is Fire Escape Engineer summary video. Engineer CJ Moses, 1-800-649-3333, 1-800-649-3333.